All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for Great Day Law. You know, each month we like to check in with lawyer Twillie, attorney and owner of LA Law, for some legal advice.
Yes, it's time for some free legal advice. So thanks for being here. All right, well, today we're talking about car crashes, and you have an email that we're going to get into about, this is what someone wrote you. I was in an accident on I-84 where I was rear-ended at high speed, then taken to the hospital by ambulance. I don't know where my car is or who the person is who hit me. What do I do? That's scary.
Yeah. Is that common where people don't know where their cars are taken?
It is, yeah. If they're taken by ambulance to a hospital, they're gone. Like, their car is, the state police, if it's on the highway, like this situation,
right?
State police are gonna call up the next in line tow place. Vehicle's gonna be taken off somewhere, and it can take a month or more to get a state police report. So you're like, where's my stuff?
Where's my stuff?
Yeah.
So what do you do?
What do you do?
Call state police. That's where I would start.
They'll tell you? They know? Like, what if do you just call the state police closest to you, or? Yeah,
so they have barracks all over the place, but I would call the headquarters down in Middletown and say, hey, I was involved in an accident on October 10th, 84 near exit whatever, and I was taken by ambulance, and I don't know where my stuff is. I don't know where my vehicle is.
What if it's into compound lots, or, I mean...
Well, there's different, like, there's Renos and Mirabellis, or there are all these tow places that come in, and you know, I think there's some sort of a pecking order, and they'll come and they'll take your vehicle next to whoever's next up. So you don't necessarily know where your vehicle's going to go. And if you're taken by ambulance and you're at the hospital for a day or two, you really don't know what the heck's going on. So I would start there. Sometimes you can call your own insurance company because they may know. Because what will happen is the state police will issue tickets and exchange information, let's say, with that other driver. And that other driver has communicated with their auto insurance company, and their auto insurance company may now connect with your auto insurance company. Okay. So you may get some information that way.
So they just take it off to some safe place. It's still going to be okay. They're not starting to fix it or do anything yet. They just
Yeah.
And then you also will find out who hit you and whose fault it was, I guess?
Yeah, that's pretty scary that you don't even know who hit you.
Correct. So what you'll have to do, again, call the state police, say I was involved in this accident, and ask them for an exchange form. You can also go on their website. You can go in and type in your information and request an exchange form, too.
Can I hire you to do this?
You can't hire me to do this. This is what we do.
Do we need to hire you to do this?
I mean, if you're just looking for your property damage, you don't need to hire us. But if you're in a situation like this and you don't know where to turn, you can always give us a call and we'll help you out.
And we may need you if you call them up and they're like, yeah, you don't realize this, but we took your car and you've been cited in this accident or something like that. Then, or vice versa, you're injured and you found out it was a hit-and-run driver or a driver who was underinsured or something like that. That's when you're going to be able to really help people for free, because they're not paying, to help them get what they need to recover from this.
Correct. Yeah, correct. I think it's the worst that you show up and you're in the hospital bed and some state trooper or police officer is handing you a ticket and you're...
It's just really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Right?
Uncomfort on top of uncomfort.
Exactly.
Layers of uncomfortness.
And once you do find out the person, then you got to go through the court?
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll reach out to their insurance company. We will start the claims process for you if it hasn't already begun, and we will ensure that you get all the benefits that you're entitled to, whether that's a rental car, property damage getting fixed, obviously your pain and suffering.
Okay. How do we get in touch with you?
844-GET-LA-LAW.
Oh, well, listen to that. There's like a little jingle there.
Yeah. And
I'm sure you can come up with one.
You can also go to LALawCT.com. You can follow him on Facebook at LALawCT or on Instagram at GetLALaw. And there's little ways to text. So I like to talk in person, but if you'd rather just text you, that works too.
Yeah, 860-595-3163.
Okay.
All right. How's your golf game?
Horrible.
Really?
I haven't played in a couple of months.
I played the best round of my life. Yeah, I didn't tell you. 310 yards.
Oh.
I hit the ball 310 yards.
Wow.
That's never happened to me.
That's like more than a football field.
And they were witnesses. So
you should have played the Powerball then.
I should have played the Powerball. Exactly. So.